Let's try something. Say these two words out loud. Fan, van. Now say them again. Fan, van. Did they sound different, or did they sound exactly the same? If they sounded alike, you're not alone. Many English learners confuse the f and v sounds, and that can completely change the meaning of a word. The good news? By the end of this lesson, you hear the difference, feel the difference, and pronounce both sounds much more confidently. Let's begin. The f and v sounds are made in almost the same way. Place your top front teeth gently on your bottom lip. Now blow out some air. Can you feel the air? Excellent. Now keep your mouth in exactly the same position, but turn on your voice. Place your fingers gently on your throat. Can you feel the vibration? That's the difference. Air only. Air plus voice. Let's compare. Fan, van. Fine, vine. Fast, vast. Safe, save. Can you hear the difference? Fantastic. Repeat after me. Excellent. Now, great. Now, time to alternate. One more time. Perfect. We'll start with an easy one and then build up. 5 funny foxes found fresh fish. 5 funny foxes found fresh fish. Let's go slowly. 5 funny foxes found fresh fish. Now a little faster. Excellent. Now let's mix f and v. Victor's 5 very fast vans visited Fiona. Slowly first. Now a little faster. Great job. Ready for a bigger challenge? Vivian found 5 fluffy violets beside the river. Vivian found 5 fluffy violets beside the river. Take your time. Focus on every f and v sound. Now increase your speed. Fantastic. Now, on to today's biggest challenge. 5 fearless firefighters drove 5 fast vehicles through the valley. 5 fearless firefighters drove 5 fast vehicles through the valley. Let's start slowly. 5 fearless firefighters drove 5 fast vehicles through the valley. Now, a little faster. Ready? Say 3 times without stopping. 3 2, 1, and go. How did you do? If you stumbled, that's okay. Every mistake is helping your mouth learn the correct movement. Remember, clear pronunciation is always more important than fast pronunciation. Now, I'll say a word. Tell me whether it begins with f or v. Voice. That's v. Flower. That's f. Village. V. Family. F. Excellent. Here's your mission. Practice today's tongue twisters 5 times. Start slowly. Focus on making every f and v sound clear. Then gradually increase your speed. The more you practice, the more natural your pronunciation will become. Excellent work. Today you've trained the f and v sounds and learned how a small difference in voicing can completely change a word. Keep practicing just a few minutes each day and you'll soon notice your English becoming clearer and more confident. In our next lesson, we'll tackle another pronunciation challenge. T and D sounds. You don't want to miss this one. If you enjoyed this lesson, as usual, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more practical pronunciation lessons, and on to today's challenge. Record yourself saying Victor's 5 very fast vans visited Fiona 3 times. Then tell me in the comments, how many times did you say it perfectly without mixing up the f and v sounds? I'll see you in the next lesson.